Holy smokes. I spent a lot of the day in my office, and I just walked out to shut the shop down and take off for the day. And this bike is all together. It's been here for a few months, so this is kind of a cool sight. This is a 79 Suzuki GS 1000S Wes Cooley Replica. It's the real deal. These things get made out of GS 1000Es because they want them and they're rare, but this is the real deal. This is the 79 S bike. One of the things that distinguishes it from the other bike is the narrower rear wheel, which is interesting because most guys think, oh, you want a bigger rear wheel, but it's not so in superbike racing in 1979 for whatever good reason. This bike was in really good original condition. Our job was to not really mess too much with the originality of it. There's a teeny bit of patina and stuff. There were some things that we just absolutely had to fix. There was a big chunky ripped seat cover, and there was some poor touch-ups done on the tank that we had redone. That is actually original paint as far as we know. Of course, we did the full mechanical service. Those carbs are rebuilt and the valves are adjusted and the ignition is perfected and everything has been cleaned. We re-chromed that exhaust, which is a pain in the neck, but we did it. So yeah, this thing is almost ready for test riding. This bike belongs to one of the absolutely nicest men we have ever had the pleasure to work with. And we have some great customers. He's noteworthy how incredibly nice this guy is. So yeah, this one is ready for shakedown. Very psyched. Very handsome motorcycle. Fun milestone.